Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will simply be showing you how you can log in to Stride app. To do that, make sure you have the app already installed on your device, the app is updated to the latest version, and you have a stable internet connection. Then launch the application. When you land on the interface page, simply tap on the login option that's just below Start Saving Today. Tap on it. Then when this pop-up appears, enter your email next to the email icon. Then type in your password in the password section. Once you fill in both the details, tap on the login option, and if your details matches, you will be logged in to Stride. So that's all for this video. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.